Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on deploying machine learning solutions. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Machine learning is exploding in popularity, but serious early warning signs are emerging around the performance of ML models in production. In this course, you will gain the ability to identify reasons why models might be underperforming in production after doing just fine in training and testing, and ways to mitigate this worrying phenomenon. First, you will learn how training serving skew, concept drift, and overfitting are different causes of model underperformance, and how they can be mitigated by post-deployment monitoring. Next, you will discover how ML models can be deployed, that is, made available on HTTP endpoints using Flask, the popular Python web serving framework. You will also see how you can deploy models to serverless environments such as Google Cloud Functions. Finally, you will work with platform-specific machine learning services such as the Google AI platform and Amazon SageMaker for model deployment. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to identify issues with models that have been deployed but are not performing to expectations, as well as how to implement deployment using both on-premises and cloud infrastructure.